Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class of Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well and fine, everyone. Today is lecture 2 from chapter 8. Okay. My previous lecture that was structure of a nephron, what is kidney, what is functions of a nephron, structure of a nephron, and LS of kidney, and excretory product and excretory system. Okay, today is first one, kidney stone. Okay, kidney stone first. Kidney stone, normal activities of the kidney. Okay, kidneys can be hampered due to some disease, illness, burning sensation of kidney, problem in urination, and kidney stone may occur. The symptoms of kidney disease are the whole body may swell up. Okay, the whole body swell up, waterlogged, loss of albumin during urination, urine with passages of blood, burning sensation during urination, urination often and or in some cases urination reduced or stopped. Okay, a small stone like substance produced by the kidney is known as kidney stone. Okay, you know what is kidney and kidney stone, why you can be attacked by this disease, but male have the higher possibility of stone formation than female. Female more eats eggs and meats than female. Okay, male. Excessive body weight, obesity, and infection in the kidneys and intake of insufficient water are the causes of kidney stones. Okay. Unitarily, the formation of kidney stones causes no remarkable problem. Okay. Problems occur when the stone goes downward into the ureter and obstruct urination. Okay. A very dull and steady pain in the lower back, our body, in the symptom of this disease. Okay, blood passes into the urine, fever starts with shaking, treatments depend upon the size and location of the stones. Okay, it's depend size and location of the stones. Stones can be removed by taking sufficient water and treatment. Okay, stones can be removed by modern methods such as uteroscopic, ultrasonic lithotripsy, or surgical operation. By these three methods, you can remove kidney stone. Okay, first one, uteroscopic, ultrasonic lithotripsy, or surgical operation. Okay, so this is the symptoms of kidney stones and why, and then kidney failure, dialysis, and kidney transplant. Okay, kidney failures occurs gradually from disease such as nephritis. Okay, nephritis, diabetes, hypertension. Hypertension means high blood pressure, stones, etc. Side effects of some medicine, severe diarrhea, and excessive blood loss, etc. are also causes of sudden failure of the kidney. Symptoms of kidney failure are, there are some symptoms. This is difficulty in urination and increased level of creatinine in blood. A kidney machine can be used to remove the harmful waste product from a patient blood. Okay. Remove the harmful waste product from a patient blood. The patient has to periodically. Okay, periodically use the kidney machine to purify the blood. The patient has to periodically use the kidney machine to purifying the blood. Then you go to the point dialysis. Clear? Here the figure is dialysis. First one. Okay, dialysis machine. Okay, this is the dialyzer or dialysis machine. Okay, here enter of blood from dialysis machine to vein. Okay, enters. And first one, blood is flowing from artery by pumping through dialysis machine. Here, first one, from artery the blood goes to dialyzer machine. Okay, dialysis tube made of selectively permeable membrane. Here selectively permeable membrane. And then the purified blood. Okay, entry the blood from dialysis machine to vein. First one artery and second one vein. And here dialysis fluid, that is likes as plasma. Okay, blood plasma. This is dialysis fluid, and here is urea and other waste material enriched fluid. Here urea and other waste material enriched fluid. This is the figure of dialysis. Okay, dialysis machine and dialysis. Dialysis when the kidneys are badly damaged. Okay, when the kidneys are badly damaged or inactive, then the blood can be filtered. Okay, filtered, that means purified. Okay, you know what is purified from artery. When the kidneys are badly damaged or inactive, then the blood can be filtered by a scientific method called dialysis. So, dialysis is a scientific method of blood purified. You know that. Okay. Generally, dialysis is done by a dialysis machine. This is known as dialysis machine. One end of the dialysis tube of the dialysis machine is lead to the artery. Here you see. Lead to the artery of patient wrist, and another end of lead of the vein of the same wrist. Okay. Here same. Here artery and vein. Okay. Blood from the artery passes into the dialysis tube. Here dialysis tube. The wall of the dialysis tube is partially semi-permeable. Here is partially semi-permeable. So urea, uric acid and other harmful substances, okay, are removed as filtered. The purified blood enters into the patient body through the vein. You know that here the purified blood enters into the patient body through the vein. The dialysis tube is submerged in a liquid similar to that of blood plasma. You know that I have already, okay, liquid similar to that of blood plasma. Okay, here blood plasma is, you know, the blood plasma is liquid part of blood is known as blood plasma. Okay. Liquid part is known as blood plasma. So this is blood plasma. Okay, in this way harmful nitrogenous waste is excreted out through dialysis machine. Here excess waste, harmful nitrogenous waste through dialysis machine, but this process is very expensive and time consuming. Okay, this process is very expensive and time consuming, so this is not stable many years or many days. Okay, so this is the figure and description of dialysis. This dialysis is very very important for you. If any question from this chapter, so dialysis is a important topic. Okay. Then go to transplantation. Transplantation. Okay, this is a stable process of failure of kidney. Okay, transplantation. When the kidneys become damaged or inactive, they can be replaced by a healthy kidney of a healthy person. Okay, when the kidney become damaged or inactive, they can be replaced by a healthy kidney of a healthy person. This is called transplantation. Okay, so the question transplantation. What do you mean by transplantation? So you will write this, and here dialysis. Okay, dialysis. This is one long question. When the kidneys become damaged or inactive, they can be replaced by a healthy kidney of a healthy person. That is called transplantation. Okay, kidney replacement can be done in two ways. Okay, it is done in two ways. A kidney taken from close relative or from a dead person. Okay, a kidney taken from close relative or from a dead person. First one close relative and second one dead person. Okay, close relative means the patient's father, mother, siblings, uncle, aunt. Okay, then a dead person would be a person who is brain dead but the organs are kept alive artificially. Okay, donation of posthumous kidney is a good service to mankind. Okay, and that like as eye donation. Okay, donation of posthumous kidney is a good service to mankind. Here millions of kidney failure patient get a healthy life by transplanting kidneys. In our country, kidney transplantation has been done very successfully. Okay, millions of kidney failure patients get a healthy life by transplanting kidney. In our country, kidney transplantation has been done very successfully. Okay, due to legal complication in our country, persons other than close relatives cannot donate kidneys, and due to this, okay, in our country persons other than close relatives cannot donate kidney, and due to this patients are deprived from getting a healthy kidney. Okay, it is a reality. Only one kidney is enough for a person. Okay, only one kidney is enough. Only one kidney is enough for a person for his or her survival. Only one kidney. So you can lead your healthy life by only one kidney. For this, so kidney failure could be treated by transplanting one kidney. Before transplantation, matching of tissue is necessary. First one, okay. First one blood group and second one is matching of tissue is necessary. The probability of matching of kidney tissue is higher with patient father, mother, siblings and close relatives. Leading an unhealthy life and drinking insufficient water may cause urinary tract or ureter disease. Okay, urinary tract or ureter disease. An infection in the ureter cause burning sensations along with other symptoms. With proper treatment, most patients recover completely. Okay, previously it was thought that everyone should drink 8 glasses of water daily. Modern research has shown that intake of water varies with sex, nature of job, okay, types of physical illness and weather. Excessive water should not be drunk unless necessary. Okay, water should be taken only to fulfill thirst. Okay, so this is the transplantation. Okay, kidney transplantation. Here kidney transplantation is number 4 non question. Okay, D non question, and here the number is 4 and dialysis is 3, and dialysis and kidney transplantation both kidney transplantation is stable process. Okay, then go to precaution. Many of us drink saline while sweating in hot weather, even if we are not suffering from diarrhea or vomiting. Okay, drink saline. Drink saline while sweating in hot weather, even if we are not suffering from diarrhea and vomiting. Okay, if we are tired or even without any reason. Okay, this is not right, especially in case of elderly people. It can bring danger to other health, even in case of suffering from diarrhea and vomiting. Okay, people should be treated with the prescribed amount of saline as suggested by a doctor. In case of simple tiredness or sweating, it is enough to drink some water mixed with lemon juice. Okay, lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Sugar can be added in the case of non-diabetic patient. Okay, here non-diabetic patients, so you can join the lemon juice and sugar you can drink. Okay, then go to measure to keep the urinary tract healthy. Urinary tract healthy. So be careful about tonsillitis and scabies. Okay, scabies one kind of disease in children, and keep control of high blood pressure and diabetes. Immediate treatment for diarrhea, then blood loss, avoiding smoking and pain relieving medicine, drinking adequate amount of water, and lead a healthy life. Okay, here you can see the important of today's lecture. Okay, first one, what is kidney stone? The symptoms of kidney stone, and the treatment of kidney stone. Then you dialysis, and dialysis is very important for you. Dialysis, when the kidney are dialysis machine and dialysis description and figure. Then important kidney transplantation, kidney transplantation, and then precaution. Okay, this is the important question from this chapter. Okay, so chapter 8 is end today. Next class, see you then. Allah Hafiz.